Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 2012 Volkswagen Jetta with a 2.0 motor. So we're doing spark plugs, wires, and clean the throttle body. Spark plug wires aren't too much of an issue, neither are the plugs. They are kind of recessed back in there. The set over here is pretty standard. I used a pair of right angle needle nose pliers, rotate the plug wire off, take it out, and then spark plug socket to get in there on a swivel. Same thing with this one here, but I did disconnect this fuel injector just to make it easy. Place you don't want to snap it off, that's bad. Word of note, just do one at a time, make it easy, or you can Google it and look up the firing order if you want to take them all off at the same time. Either way, up to you. Over here on this side, took off this connector, took off that fuel injector, pulled each one of them out. That one there is the only bear getting it in. So if you have a spark plug socket that has a magnet on it, that would be beautiful right there to get into that spot. Also took out this for the power steering, so you can get down in there in case the plug doesn't want to sit in there. But if you've got a magnetic socket, get into those two spots, piece of pie. Throttle body, coolant line, I believe that's a T25 Torx. Take that off, clean it out just as usual. Take off this tube for the connectors. I love my right angle pick. I get right up inside there and disconnect those connectors. Don't have any issues with tabs breaking off. Just lift up that connector a little bit and take it off. Also took off these little connectors right here for the intake side. Other than that, that's about it. Just make sure you push on the spark plug wires going back on. You'll feel a little click, and that's about it. Other than that, not much to it. Questions, comments, please feel free to let me know.